Hello and welcome to another video from easyLog. This presentation is about our visitor management system, which is also coupled with our evacuation app called Roll Call, which allows you both to see who is in the building at the moment and also to run a muster list effectively if you should ever need to do an emergency evacuation from a site. Now, let's begin then by showing you this app. So this app not only allows you for your staff to record their attendance, but also, as you can see, a visitor can record their attendance as well. And this typically, therefore, would be run on a tablet, and you put this in your reception area. So let's start off and just assume that I am a member of staff. So I then put in my PIN, which I've been given, the number I've been given, and then say I am clocking in. Now immediately then, this is a nice little feature in the software, is you can see that I have clocked in, but I'm already in the building, so I'm just obviously not paying attention to things, and really I should actually be clocking out. And it confirms then that I was clocked in at just earlier today at nearly 10 past 3. So what I'll do from that is actually I'll leave it alone and say, okay, I actually don't want to record my clocking there, so I'll just go back and cancel that. Now, if I'm a visitor, I would click on the visitor tab, and then select myself from this list here. So let's say I'm Lawrence. So I click on there. It confirms the company I'm from. It confirms also who I'm seeing and my details. And it will then, if I then save that at that point in time, to confirm I'm in the building, it will then send an email to whoever I'm visiting to confirm that I've arrived and I'm waiting in reception for them. Now if you notice there, if I click on the visitor in button again, there is an option there if I'm not listed amongst there and therefore somebody in my organisation has forgotten to key in advance of my visit the details of who I am and the day of my visit. You see there's an option there for not in list. So if I click in that, I can then actually key in my details in order to basically put myself into the system and therefore put my own attendance record in. So let's say my surname is White, my first name is John, and my organisation is the White Company. And I'm coming here to visit Alan. Okay, and then I'll simply save that, and then again save that, and that will send an email to Alan to confirm that I am in the building and I'm ready and waiting in reception. Okay, so let's now hop into the back-end software and show you that. So that's a web browser based application. As you can see, I've just gone into Chrome, and I would access this in the same way as you can see I would maybe get into the BBC website. So I would just save this as a favorite. So I have a username, I have a password to use as well for security purposes, log in, and I've got then various options down the side here. So let's go into the visitors option, and we can see then some of those names that we saw listed down the side. Okay, so with my one here as well, the White Company, you can see if I go into John's record here and edit it, it then has placed John's record into the software, so I don't need to re-enter it again if I'm a member of the company. I can see as well about the date of the visit. So if after my meeting John is going to be coming back next week, I can then click on there and change the date to the date that John is then coming back to. And when then John turns up on the 5th of May, it will then have his details there already, and he will then appear in that list. So I simply save that, and that will then happen automatically. Now, as I mentioned at the outset of this video, part of this as well is also a roll call app, as we call it, which is designed to be a muster list when should you ever need to evacuate the building, and therefore the people go to a muster point and you need to cross them off the list to see that their details have actually been they've been safely evacuated from the building. Now, gone are the days where you then needed to wait by the printer in order to get a list of who's currently in the building. This is on an app, so this would be on your phone or on a tablet, anything that you've got a internet and a access and a browser on. So I can then just log in, I can click on the roll call, click on refresh, and then all it does is bring up who is currently recorded as being clocked in or in the building. And as you can see, there are 5 members of staff and 3 visitors. The members of staff are in black, visitors are in the purple, and it then lists against it. So I have a bunch of people then queuing up in front of me. I've got my app on my phone, I'm at the muster point. I can then just cross them off as I see them to say, yep, Edward, I can see you're out the building. Yep, Alan, you're safely out as well. Oh, you got your visitor with you, that's John, yep, he's out the building as well, etc., etc. Okay, so from this you can safely run an evacuation from the building. Very easy to do, and this video now comes to a conclusion after I've taken you through those various aspects. So thank you for watching. You can obviously see further information on our website. You can call us on 01892 834406, or indeed email us at info@easylog.co.uk. So thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.